Finally, we arrived at our hotel in Ottawa. This is how it looks like. A king-size bed with a couch and the flooring is pretty new. It's no longer a carpet, it's vinyl. And that's the television set. That's my workplace. And at the corner is the fireplace. Maybe it's gonna be cold tonight, that's why they opened the fireplace. Oh, it's spacious washroom. It's good. They have a jacuzzi. Oh, nice. Looks nice. A big jacuzzi. Yeah. And this is the his and hers sink. And that's the toilet. And that's the main door. Not bad. And this is the coffee. Oh, is this complimentary? Yeah, I think so. Complimentary coffee.
Okay.
Okay. So it's not bad. It's spacious.
King bed.
King bed
With
for
a
the
living room.
for the
with a
king
sitting room.
for the king and the queen. Why it's so dark in here? Okay.
Okay.
This is the reception of the hotel. The fireplace. Sitting room. That's the reception. And this is the one going down. We're going out. This is the hotel. It's a big one. And this is the Bistro 75. Yeah.
Huh? Hi, good morning. This time we are in Ottawa, Canada. It's the capital city of Canada. So
We are at the Parliament Hill. You can see in the background the Parliament and the tower, and you can hear the bells ringing right now. It's I think about 12 or something.
12:20.
12:20. That's why. So it's under renovation in front, so we can go inside. We just show you around the buildings nearby.
That's the Parliament building. So we are going to the perpetual fire or light. There's a lot of flowers in here for the kids. Oh, you know what? These are the kids. These are the school kids died while they were in the residency. Yes. Gosh, I have a goosebump. God, like
These are the victims of the residential schools, right?
yes, the residential victims during the
this girl.
residential school.
This girl must be a lady, a girl. First, they cut off my braids. Survivor.
Whew, I'm having a goosebump. Saan?
Yeah, you look, this is the East Block. House of Commons pa kayo? Ito yung Senate.
Yeah,
Senate building.
you told me.
And that side is the House of Commons.
Yeah. Oh, House of Commons?
House of Commons, yes.
Hindi House of ano?
House of Commons.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that one is the
House of
building of the House of Commons, and that's the Parliament building, and this one
Senate.
is the
Senate
Senate building. Okay, let's go and see over there if there is something to see.
Yeah.
If we can go at the back of the Parliament building, I don't know, it's under construction. The first time we came here, that was 1998, and we were able to go inside the Parliament building, and we saw while they are on session. No, we can go stop there. It's under construction. No, we can go inside. Dito muna tayo.
Straight to the bottom. You can see the stairs going downstairs. Look at the bottom there.
Oh yeah, okay, let's go.
Shall we go here or we'll go this one first? Let's combine here.
Okay.
Hindi pa buwi natin din yung pass lighting kung may time.
I think this is where it is. Oh yeah. So we are at the back of the parliament. You know the other side, yeah, that is where we went. Huh? Katinu, yeah. No, but me and Caroline went to this place.
How?
And overlooking here.
How?
So you have to go to that bridge and then go to this.
With the bus?
Titignan ko dun saan. Yun? Oh. Notre Dame.
So this is the Rideau Canal. Going to Rideau Canal. And this is the Ottawa Lots, Baita Museum. Oh, boat tours in water taxi. We'll try to go there as well. We're still going to show you the continuation of the Rideau Canal, a man-made canal. So we're heading back to the car. Hi there.
Hello.
How are you?
Good yourself?
Good. What time does the Grey Line start operating tomorrow?
Rail lines operate.
I mean tomorrow morning.
Oh, tomorrow.
You don't have time now, just
The earliest one leaves at 10.
oh, 10 morning.
Yes.
And how long is this it take to go around?
An hour and a half.
Oh, and how much per adult?
26.75.
Okay. Yeah.
And how much is it?
26.
No, yung amphibus. Oh, it's here. It's
Yeah,
okay.
it's in there. I'll show you.
And start when tomorrow?
Just here.
Oh, start what
Okay.
time?
So 10 a.m. for the bus. Hop on.
And then this amphibus. This one is more exciting.
Yeah. Rather than walk.
10:30 in the morning. Itong amphibus ang maganda.
Yeah, I think so.
Kasi hindi pa natin naanuhan yun eh. Kasi it will go into the river.
We're passing by in front of the parliament again. We're just taking a break to have a bite before we ride the amphibus. We never tried the amphibus before. It's an amphibian bus, that's why it's amphibus. And this is hungry amphibian. What do you have?
Just salad. Just
Ah,
salad.
you are the Miss Salad.
And
Sandwich? Oh, that's my chicken sandwich.
okay. Let's We're only having like 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's a double-decker bus going around the city for an hour.
Yeah, we
Showing-
will, hopefully we will take that too.
After our amphi-bus.
Yes. After our amphi bus, we're gonna take that double deck and we're going to go around the city.
Just pick up.
All the people here are just waiting for the amphi bus.
So those people line up against the building wall are also waiting for the amphi bus. Somebody asked me this morning when I was walking in the street, Amigo, ¿cómo estás? You know why? They saw my hat. It's Puerto Rican hat. No, I'm not Puerto Rican. ¿Cómo estás? Meaning, my friend, how are ya? Sagot ko naman eh, "Diyak ka mo." So that's it. You are having fun.